Hey son, here's a lollipop. You can go eat it outside on the front porch.
Okay.
Honey, he's gonna finish that really quick. We need more time.
You're right. Hey son, after you eat that, I want you to survey the whole neighborhood and tell us what's going on.
Okay.
Finally, we have alone time.
Mom, Dad, the Garcias got a new car.
That's great, sweetie. Keep looking.
The Smiths family are planting flowers.
Good job, son. You're doing great.
Mom, Dad, Mrs. and Mr. Johnson are making love.
Son, how do you know that the Johnsons are making love?
Yeah, how?
Well, because their son is eating a lollipop on their front porch too.
Oh, great heavens!